If you haven't tried the Prima metallic accents yet, you really need to. These have become really a favorite of mine, and I use them all the time in my mixed media, just to add some metallic accents here and there on my journal pages, and they are beautiful. So this is the metallic accents, and it's got 12 beautiful metallic semi-watercolors. So I've already added a little bit of water in there just to soften them up. All I do is just spray them quickly, and then let's do a page. I'm going to do a page on my art journal, the Black Dilutions art journal, so you can really see the colors. The black will obviously not show as much, but you know, we'll see how beautiful they are. Just going to do lines, nothing complicated, just a quick demo so you can see what they look like. Okay, the colors are fully dry now, and just look how beautiful these are. Hope you can see how metallic and absolutely gorgeous these are. If you haven't got a set, do yourself a favor and get one right away. They're available in the store, and I promise you won't be disappointed because they're just amazing.